What's going on, everybody? Welcome back on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a custom cursor on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started, guys. First things first, click on the first link in the description and we'll get you to this website called DeviantArt.com. Here you can choose whatever package for your mouse cursor that you guys want to choose, and for the purpose of this video I'm going to choose the gaming cursor, and I'm going to choose the Cyberpunk 2077 cursors here. Click on the package right here, and you can also download the package by clicking on the free download, but first you have to log in order to activate this button right here. So click on free download and it will get you to this package right here. Click on it, downloads. I'm gonna drag and drop in my desktop, right click on it, 7-zip and extract it here. Alright you guys, so there you guys have it. Now go to the Windows, searching for mouse settings, scroll down and here click on additional mouse settings, click on pointers, click on browse, and from here go to desktop and search for the folder that we downloaded from the site, Cyberpunk here. Click on arrow, click on open, apply, and there you guys go. Now you added a successfully custom cursor for your Windows operating system. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to comment and leave a like down below, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, peace out.